In this video, I am going to tell you how you can just customize your notification settings in your Notion application. So first, you need to open your Notion application and you need to scroll down on your first page, and here you can see a setting option. So you need to click on your settings. Then you can have some options in your my notifications, so you can just turn it off and turn it off. You have some options like mobile push notification. When notification comes, it will be come to your phone, and email notification. Whenever you get a notification, it will be also come on your email. So, and then you have an option on Slack notification. So what is that? It is a app for team management. So it will also just integrate with your Slack and give notification on that as well.